reInvent is the premier AWS conference of the year. Right now it is underway and excitement is filling the air in Las Vegas. For this premier event of the year, which is happening from November 27th and December 1st, as was expected, generative AI is the buzzword. Lot of keynotes, training, innovation talks, AWS Builder Lab, and much more is happening there, and everything is revolving around generative AI more or less. So if you're looking to start or prop up your cloud journey, maybe this video would help you out as this discusses all the generative AI announcements so far from reInvent. Let's get started. First and foremost, the thing which caught my eye was this new generative AI capability for Amazon Data Zone, which further simplifies data cataloging and discovery. This is still in preview. It is an automation feature backed by generative AI for data zone that will dramatically decrease the amount of time needed to provide context for organizational data. This new feature can automate the traditionally labor intensive process of data cataloging. This is powered by the LLM of Amazon Bedrock as it generates detailed description of data assets and their schemas and suggests analytical use cases. You can generate a comprehensive business context with a single click. Second in the line is Amazon Q in QuickSight. The thing is that now Amazon Q in QuickSight is available for preview and you can experience the Gen AI capabilities in QuickSight. With this great announcement, business users can now generate compelling shareable stories examining their data. They can see executive summaries of dashboards surfacing key insights from data in seconds and confidently answer questions of data not answered by dashboards and reports with a reimagined Q&A experience. So next one is guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. As part of responsible AI strategy of any organization, you can now use these guardrails for Amazon Bedrock to promote safe interaction between users and your Gen AI applications by implementing safeguards customized to your use cases and responsible AI policies. This shows that AWS is committed to developing Gen AI in a responsible, people-centric way by focusing on education and science and helping developers to integrate responsible AI across the AI lifecycle. With guardrails for Amazon Bedrock, you can consistently implement safeguards to deliver relevant and safe user experiences aligned with your company policies and principles. Guardrails help you define denied topics and content filters to remove undesirable and harmful content from interaction between users and your applications. This primarily provides an additional level of control on top of any protections built into large language models. You can apply guardrails to all language models. I have a detailed video on it which you can search on my channel. Okay, next one is new generative AI feature in Amazon Connect. If you manage a contact center, then you know the critical role that agents play in helping your organization build customer trust and loyalty. So the existing AI feature of Amazon Connect now have Gen AI capability that are powered by LLM available through Amazon Bedrock to transform how contact center provide service to customers. LLMs are pre-trained on vast amount of data, which is also called as foundation model. They can understand and learn, generate text, engage in interactive conversation. So this is where Amazon Q in Connect, which is a generative AI power agent assistant, can really speed up your Amazon Connect. Okay. Then we have another cool announcement where you can use Amazon Q code transformation. This new capability simplifies upgrading and modernizing existing application code using Amazon Q, which is a new type of assistant powered by Gen AI. Amazon Q is specifically designed for work and can be tailored to your business. Amazon Q code transformation can perform Java application upgrades now from version 8 and 11 to version 17, which is a Java long term or LTS release. It will also be able to transform Windows-based .NET Framework application to cross-platform .NET. Then we have improved developer productivity with GenAI powered Amazon Q and Amazon Code Catalyst. This feature development capability in Q can help you accelerate the implementation of software development tasks such as adding comments and readmes, redefining or refining issues descriptions, generating small classes and unit tests, and updating code catalyst workflows, which are otherwise very tedious and undifferentiated tasks. Then there is a custom model feature of Amazon Bedrock, and I have a separate video on it. This allows you to have privately and securely customized large language models with your own data in Bedrock to build applications that are specific to your domain. With custom models, you can create unique user experiences that reflect your company's style, voice, and services. With fine tuning, you can increase model accuracy by providing your own task specific label training dataset. And with continued pre-training in Bedrock, you can train model using your own unlabeled data in a secure and managed environment. Then we have this new integration of step functions with Amazon Bedrock. So with this, AWS step function will have two new optimized integration for Bedrock. Step function is a visual workflow service that helps developer build distributed applications, automate processes, and orchestrate microservices. The new step function optimized integration with Bedrock enables you to orchestrate tasks to build generative AI applications using Bedrock, as well as to integrate with over 220 AWS services. So with this, you can have Gen AI built into your AWS functions, step functions, or lambdas. So these are the few top announcements from reInvent, and this is, I guess, third or second day of reInvent as I speak, and there is lot more to come. So I will be doing more videos on it, and then I will also be doing separate videos on each one of them. If you want me to do any video on any specific topic coming out of reInvent, especially with the focus of Gen AI, please let me know in the comments, and if I have missed any, please share it again. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.